Hi, I'm Ayush, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to solve one-step inequalities. And keep this in mind that it's basically solving equations. So let's get started with our first example, which is 2y is less than 8. The first step is to divide 2 by both sides. 2y divided by 2 is less than 8 divided by 2. Y is less than 4. To check if this is the correct answer, we can plug in any value that is less than 4 into y and see if this is true. So I'm going to pick 3. 2 parentheses 3 is less than 8. 6 is less than 8. So the answer is y is less than 4. So any answer that is less than 4 would work in the y value. Next inequality is 4y is greater than 8. The first step is to divide 4 to both sides. 4y divided by 4 is greater than 8 divided by 4. Y is greater than 2. And to check if this is the correct answer, we can plug in any value that is greater than 2 into the y value and see if this is true. So I'm going to pick 4. 4 parentheses 4 is greater than 8. And 16 is greater than 8. So this is true. So the answer is y is greater than 2. So any value that is greater than 2 would work for the y value. Our last inequality for this today's video is 5x is less than 15. The first step is to divide 5 to both sides. And then x is less than 3. Check if this is the correct answer, we can plug in any value that is less than 3. So I'm going to pick 2. So 5 parentheses 2 is less than 15. 10 is less than 15, so this is true. So the answer is x is less than 3. So any value that is less than 3 would work in the x value. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and if you like it, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification button so you will get notified when I make new videos. Thank you so much, and have a great day.